Hello guys, this is Ira from Sunira Essentials, and today I'm going to tell you about fragrance oils and how to use them. So let's begin and find out. What are fragrance oils? Fragrance oils are manufactured aromatic compositions to create pleasing aromas. Fragrance oils are created with a combination of synthetic aroma molecules and natural aroma ingredients such as resins, extracts, and essential oils. These compositions are made in a laboratory by perfumers or fragrance designers to achieve a desired aroma profile. With fragrance oils, we get the power to create limitless variations of different aromas by grouping and mixing ingredients. For example, a perfumer can create 10 different variations of lavender fragrance depending on the changes made in the composition. Fragrance oils are used in countless product applications, and today, I'm going to share some of the everyday uses of fragrances so that you can also use them at your home. You can use fragrance oils in aroma diffusers to freshen up the ambience and to have a pleasant environment at home. Fragrance oils are also used in making a homemade DIY air freshener, and you can be certain of the product quality as you have made it yourself. You can also use fragrance oils in your car to avoid buying expensive car perfumes, and can also have a new fragrance every day while going to the office. Fragrance oils are regularly used in potpourri, reed diffusers. You can also add a few drops of fragrance oils to your regular household cleaning applications to get a unique fragrance. You can always soak a cotton ball and leave it to diffuse in a cupboard or in areas of your house that can benefit from fresh fragrance, such as shoe racks and garbage bags. Fragrance oils can be used at your place of worship, meditation rooms, workout rooms, etc. Lastly, you can make your own DIY soaps with the fragrance you love the most. That's it guys, now you know about the fragrance oils and their common uses. I hope the information shared in the video was helpful for you. Don't forget to check out the other videos on our website www.suniera.store. Thank you for your time.